Hello, everyone. Now that you have finished reading A New Language Invented by Kids, what you're going to do is take a second look at paragraphs 1, 2, and 9 only. And those are on my pages 332 and 333. If you're going to go back in the video to revisit these three paragraphs, you want to start at 144 in the video and then at 539. After you've reread these paragraphs, then you're ready to send me a message. You're going to type new language in the subject line after you've found my name for the to line. And then for the message box, you can either write complete sentences or record your answer to the following question. The question is, what is the central idea of the text? So remember, central idea is what the text is mostly about. And paragraphs 1, 2, and 9 are your clues. Make sure when you respond to me in your message that you include who the text is about, what those characters did, and why they did it. If you have questions about any part of this assignment, send me a message or come to the chat.